In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchase history on the eBay app. This is especially useful if you're a regular eBay shopper and want to keep track of your recent orders or maybe confirm what you've already received. Let's dive right into this simple process. First things first, grab your smartphone and locate the eBay app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, open the app and enter your credentials, your username and password, to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct information to avoid any login issues. Logging in will take you to the homepage of the app, which might display some featured deals or perhaps suggestions based on your previous searches and purchases. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll spot the familiar menu icon. This is sometimes represented by 3 horizontal lines. Give it a tap and you'll find yourself presented with a list of options. You'll notice this menu is designed to help you navigate various parts of the app easily. From this list, look for the option labeled Purchase History. This is the section that holds the record of everything you've bought on eBay. Tap on it, and it will lead you to a new page where all your past transactions are displayed. This section is structured to provide convenient insight into what you have ordered over time. Once you're inside the Purchase History section, you'll see a chronological list of your past purchases. Each item in the list will include an array of details that can be really helpful. You'll notice the title of the product you purchased, the seller information, and even a thumbnail image for easy identification. Additionally, you'll see the date of purchase and any tracking information available, which is really handy if you're waiting for a package to arrive. Take a moment to scroll through, especially if you're tracking down a particular item or just want a general overlook of your past spending. Moreover, this page is not only for viewing, but also provides updates on the status of your purchases. You can check if something is still in transit, if it has been delivered, or if there's any action you need to take, like leaving feedback for the seller. For those of you who might be managing multiple orders, this feature is great for maintaining an organized shopping experience. You can easily verify your purchase history, which can be particularly beneficial when you need to settle any disputes or confirm that everything you've ordered has indeed reached you. And there you have it, a simple way to check your purchases on eBay directly from the app. Now, you're fully equipped to track everything you've bought with just a few taps on your phone. Happy shopping, and feel confident knowing your eBay purchase history is at your fingertips whenever you need it.